Hello, Thomas. What are you doing?
Cranky's gonna load my cargo.
Well, grind my gears.
Hello.
Where are you going?
To the loop-de-loop. Whee! Bye, friends.
Bye.
Number 1 blue engine. Right on time.
Oh, hi.
Where are you going?
Turning around to get that cargo. Hey, Thomas, let's get this cargo loaded.
Hello, Cranky. I have a delivery.
Thomas, you're late. Let's work together. See you later.
Absolutely. Hi, Cranky.
I'll take it from here. Going up. Hello.
Hi. Here comes Thomas. I'm the number 1 engine. Whoa! All engines go. Look, there's Percy. We're best friends. I've got a zoomed around the bend. I lead by speed and I'm ready to glow. All engines go. Hey, there's Mia. I'm rocking now. Don't forget me, Thomas. And Diesel gets a shout. Hey! Peter, fix the crew. Carly and Sandy, you can count on us. We're super handy. Down the hills and round the whoa! All engines go. I love that song.
Can we be on time for the whistle?
Hi, Cranky.
Hello. What are you doing?
I'm picking up some cargo.
Good one.
Hello.
We'll scoot your caboose. Hello, Thomas. Carry on.